DraftSight 2017 adds many productivity tools dedicated primarily for users of the professional and enterprise versions. These new tools enhance drawing quality, time spent on tedious tasks, import-export with other applications, control when editing entities. In this video, I will quickly overview how DraftSight 2017 Professional increases user efficiency and productivity. Have you ever had difficulty reading a drawing because dimensions were not properly placed? What about spending a lot of time and effort cleaning up or readjusting dimensions if the distance between them is not uniform? How about dimension lines crossing over other entities, making the drawing difficult to read? DraftSight 2017 introduces the Dimension Snap Offset Distances feature that improves the quality of a drawing. You can preset snap distances in the Options dialog. Then, when placing any dimension, DraftSight provides invisible snaps that give a consistent offset distance between the geometry and between dimensions. Another tool to enhance drawing quality is Split Dimension. This tool automatically creates a gap at the dimension line where it intersects other entities to make the drawing cleaner and more legible. How often have you had to manually switch layers between different entity types because they were placed on the wrong layer? What about wasting time to manually calculate a midpoint in order to insert a center line in between two parallel lines or arcs? The DraftSight 2017 Predefined Layer Support tool automates the layer assignment process by mapping predefined layers to common entity types and toolbox features. You no longer need to worry that your dimensions, hatching, or other entities are on the correct layer. Once the settings are configured, DraftSight automatically maintains these for you. Another time-saving tool is Insert Center Lines that automatically generates a center line between a selected pair of lines or arcs. Now you no longer need to do tedious calculations to find the midpoint to construct the center line and change it to a different line style. DraftSight automates this process for you. How do you like the time-saving tools you've seen so far? Let me show you a couple more great features. Have you ever encountered precision problems when placing the same object multiple times along a defined path? DraftSight 2017 includes the Pattern Along a Path tool to simplify this cumbersome task by providing a new path option within the pattern command. This allows you to quickly and accurately insert entities along a set path. Another time-saving enhancement is auto-completion commands. When typing in the command window, sometimes it's not easy to remember the name of the command. This enhancement eliminates the guesswork by providing a list of command line suggestions that narrows with every keystroke. DGN is a design file format commonly used in large projects like buildings, highways, bridges, process plants, or shipbuilding. Do you sometimes need to bring DGN files directly into DraftSight for reference or direct manipulation? What about Excel file formats? After creating tables in DraftSight, do you sometimes want to export and use them in Excel? DraftSight 2017 can now import and attach DGN files. If importing a DGN file, DraftSight brings in the entire file as a block. After exploding the block, all DGN elements are converted to DWG entities for direct manipulation. If attaching a DGN file, DraftSight links the file as an underlay reference, prohibiting direct editing. However, you can still control layer visibility and clip the underlay drawing boundaries. Another import/export improvement in this release is the ability to export regular tables directly to an Excel file. This new feature also supports exporting bill of materials and revision tables for downstream use or coordination purposes. Polylines are frequently used in drawings. Have you ever encountered some challenges when trying to edit a polyline due to limited options and lack of controls? DraftSight 2017 considerably enhances polyline editing capabilities. These new improvements for all DraftSight users provide more editing options such as taper, reverse, add vertex at midpoint, and create arc and polyline segment. As I have quickly demonstrated, DraftSight 2017 provides significant value, especially to users of the professional and enterprise versions. These are just 10 of the great features added to this new release that improve speed and efficiency on all drafting and documentation projects. To learn more about DraftSight and how to get a free 30-day trial of DraftSight Professional, visit draftsight.com/professional.